Hello there. For this video we'll be looking at Invoicer 2. The description says without a limit. So I'm curious what they mean by that. So first things first, let's register. So let's just do a few things before that. Let's take out the trusty Vim so we can remember our credentials. So actually I think I forgot my password from other. So user123, it's going to be our username, or user@user.com. Now we need a huge password, so probably like user123 should be good enough. So let's use that. Pardon me. All right, hopefully that was good. Okay, so we're logged in. So what this problem targets specifically is the metrics tab here, because you see, if you try to access it, it says forbidden, your account is limited, and limited is the keyword. It refers to the hint without a limit here. So we can think like, how does the application decide if the account is limited? Like, we can imagine that there's a field in account that says, oh well, limited is equal to true or something, and then the application checks that field to know if it can show that page. So one clue you can find is here you can edit profile, and one thing to take into consideration when doing CTFs is nothing exists for no reason. So somebody took the time to code this page into the challenge, so it must have a purpose, right? So you're like, okay, I can update the username, it works, but it doesn't do anything. So let's try like to see what form is sent to the backend. Maybe it can give us a hint on what's being updated. So let's just jump to the form here, and you can see, so the input name is user, and with braces, square braces, there's name here, and we can find to do, and there's the input here that's commented out, user demo hidden value equals 0. So if we decide to uncomment this, we can edit as HTML and remove this here, pardon my French. You can see demo features are limited in the demo, and that looks good, right? But now we have like a input hidden value 0, so I want to set it to 0, and here we have the input name demo, so we have two inputs with the same name. So let's just delete that one, so there should just be that one sent, and we can open the network tab and check what is being sent. So you can see a post here, so user demo set to 0, and everything looks good, right? But if we try to access the page, we're still limited. So I got stuck on this for a while. I was wondering, like, am I like not updating correctly? I tried playing around with the form, setting the value to 1, 0 and whatever, but nothing more. But I talked with the organizer and told me, oh, you can't do an update for the demo. It's a value that is like unchangeable. It's not updatable. So I'm like, okay, then that means we can probably add it when the account is created, right? So this is where the fun part comes in. Let's just copy this once again. So let's take this, put it here. Now we need another user. Let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4, and user 2, and user, and the password can be the same. And we're gonna add this input when you create the account. So register. Now let's take a look at this form to see what we can find. So we have a bunch of form groups. So we user name, user email, so everything looks good. Password confirmation. Now we just want to add our little input here. So we care about this part right here, the input name user demo hidden value 0. So let's take this and copy it here. So let's try to paste. Should be good, right? Now let's take this, put it here, take this, put it here, and so on, so on. Hopefully there's no problem doing that. And now we hope for the best. Here you have it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.